Today I've been cooking with Louisa, and partly to kind of show off some of the things that I think that she would be interested in cooking to use as part of sort of Mindful Chef's repertoire, if you like. She's had the freedom to just try out as we kind of taste things and explore, and so there haven't been any rules. The products that Belazu offer are actually quite sort of widespread now. Originally, a long time ago, it was olives and olive oil, different types of pestos, pastes, mostly Mediterranean. Being in the kitchen, Louisa, has been really good fun. I think actually we like to cook in similar ways. I had a few ideas, but we kind of just cooked as we wanted to cook and just said, let's use what we want and what you might want to do, and I'll tell you what I kind of like doing, and we sort of meet in the middle and come up with about a dozen dishes or so.